Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will explain how to display an image in Power Apps application dynamically. Now let's get into the video. So here in this Power Apps application, you can see I am displaying my company logo over here on this image control, and this image I am taking dynamically from the SharePoint list, and here is the SharePoint list named admin options. In this list there is a image field named company logo where I am storing this company logo. So from this I am dynamically fetching into this application. So first we will see how to add image to the image control in Power Apps, and then we will discuss dynamically adding this image. So first one, to add the image control, click on this insert tab and search for image. Under media you can see. So for adding image, here in the image property, instead of none you can choose the plus upload, and here you can choose, from here you can choose the image and click on it to open. So it will display the image on this image control. And the second way is, here also media, in the ellipses you can see there is a media control. So here you can upload the images whatever you want, and from this also we can take it. And now here you can see the image property is containing this image name. This will be okay if we are not exporting this application, and if we are using in the same tenant. In case if you are giving this application to someone else, so that time they will change their company logo, right? So in that cases, it's better to take the images dynamically. So to take dynamically the images, in the app onStart property, I have written this code. So where company logo, I created one global variable using the lookup function. I am taking this company logo, and here you can see in the data source I have connected that admin options SharePoint list, and then so using this lookup function I am fetching the company logo from this admin options SharePoint list. So for the base record I took the title, and every time the title will be the title value will be item 1. So based on this item 1 I am fetching this company logo from this SharePoint list into the Power Apps application. So now we can simply take this variable and provide in this image control image property. So here you can see I have provided. In the same way, whenever we are exporting this application, that time the users can simply upload their image over in this SharePoint list. So then it will be directly reflected in this Power Apps application. So this type of approaches will be useful when we have multiple screen. In all screens we need to display the company logo. Then this approach is a good way. And in this video I will also explain how to upload an image from Power Apps application to SharePoint list. So for that one we need to add an add image control from this insert tab. So here under media you can see add picture control is there. Now let me preview this application, and here it is showing the message tap to click to add a picture. So when we tap on this one, it will allow you to take image from here. So I will take this one and click on open. Now here you can see it take that picture. Now we will see how to upload this image to the SharePoint list also. So for that one we will add one button control. Now on its on select property, buttons on select property, using the patch function we will update the image. So the SharePoint list name is options, admin options, comma, lookup of. Here we are using lookup function, that is because we are not going to create a new item. We are updating the existing item. So that's why I am taking this lookup function. So the base record will be, I will take the title. So here you can see the title value is item 1. So we will provide the item 1. Now here it is asking to choose the SharePoint list column name which we want to upload. So here I will take the company logo, and here you can see there is a add media button one and upload image one control. So we need to take this one. So I will take upload image one control name dot image. So let me close this one. Now preview the application. Instead of this image, we will take another one because previously also same image is present, so you can't see the changes. So again, I am changing the picture. Let me take this one, user registration app. So this is one image. I'm clicking this button control, and now we will check the SharePoint list. Just refresh it, and here you can see the image is uploaded. So this way we can upload an image from the Power Apps. I hope you understand how to display an image dynamically in Power Apps application, and I also explained how to upload an image from Power Apps to SharePoint list also. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.